We're living in a time where AI is no longer science fiction. It's transforming how we work, create, and solve problems. The pace is wild, and if you're not paying attention, you risk missing out on massive opportunities. Today, anyone can access powerful AI tools that used to be reserved for big tech companies. Imagine building a website in a minute, generating presentations from a sentence, or composing custom music instantly. These aren't just upgrades. They're game changers that lower the barrier for creativity and productivity. In this video, I'll show you 10 mind-blowing AI websites that can give you a serious edge. Ready to see the future? Let's dive in. First up is Durable.co, a website builder that truly delivers on its promise. A professional site in just 30 seconds, no matter your experience level. All you have to do is enter your business type and name, hit generate, and watch as Durable's AI creates a complete website for you. Images, copy, contact forms, and even a custom layout, all in one go. The AI automatically selects color palettes, writes service descriptions, and builds a portfolio section, all tailored to your business. It even chooses relevant stock images and organizes your site for maximum impact. Don't like something? With just one click, you can instantly regenerate images, swap out color schemes, or try different layouts until it feels just right. The heavy lifting is done for you. No code, no design headaches, and no need to worry about technical details. You can focus on your business, not on building a website from scratch. It's perfect for freelancers, entrepreneurs, or small businesses who need to get online fast and look professional right away. You can tweak every section, update your content, and personalize your site, but most of the work is already done for you, saving hours of effort. It's honestly the fastest way to launch a credible, polished online presence, whether you're starting from scratch or need a quick refresh. If you've ever thought, I need a website but don't know where to start, Durable takes away the overwhelm and gives you a finished product in moments. Durable removes all the friction, making the process smooth, intuitive, and even fun. That's why Durable.co is #1 on this list. It's the ultimate instant website builder for anyone who wants results fast. Next is Gamma.app, the AI that makes presentations effortless. Forget blank slides, just tell Gamma your topic and it generates a structured outline instantly. Pick a theme and the AI writes content, finds images, and lays out each slide beautifully. It creates diagrams, formats text, and ensures everything looks polished. In about a minute, you have a complete, professional deck. No design skills needed. Perfect for students, professionals, or anyone who dreads making slides. You can personalize the content, but the hard work is done. It's a massive time saver and looks like you hired a designer. Gamma automates the tedious parts, so you can focus on your message. For fast, stunning presentations, this is a must-try. Gamma.app is a game changer. Presentation solved. Number 3 is Copy.ai, your AI-powered writing partner that's designed to make writing easier, faster, and more creative than ever before. Whether you're crafting blog posts, social captions, ads, or emails, Copy.ai generates high-quality text in seconds, saving you hours of brainstorming and editing. Just input your topic and a few details, like product features, target audience, or desired tone, and let the AI do the rest, delivering tailored content that fits your needs. It offers multiple options from luxury to witty, so you can match your brand's voice and experiment with different styles until you find the perfect fit. Instantly brainstorm, draft, and refine content without staring at a blank page, and watch your ideas come to life with just a few clicks. It's perfect for marketers, creators, business owners, students, and anyone who needs words on demand, no matter the project size. No more writer's block, just creative momentum and a steady flow of fresh ideas whenever you need them. Copy.ai gives you a spectrum of ideas to work with, so you're never stuck or out of inspiration. It's not just about text. It's about the right text for your audience, helping you connect and engage more effectively. For content creation, this tool is a lifesaver, making your workflow smoother and your writing sharper. Your new brainstorming partner is here. Writer's block? Gone. With Copy.ai, you'll always have the words you need, right when you need them. Looka.com tackles the challenge of getting a great logo without the designer price tag. Whether you're a small business owner, a freelancer, or just starting your side hustle, Looka makes professional branding accessible to everyone. Enter your company name, pick your industry, and select styles and colors you like. The process is intuitive and quick, guiding you step by step so you can focus on your vision. The AI learns your preferences and generates dozens of unique logo concepts in seconds. Each design is tailored to your choices, so you get options that truly fit your brand. Browse through a variety of options: text-based, symbol-based, modern, or bold. There's something for every taste, from minimalist to eye-catching. Click any logo to see real-world mock-ups on business cards, shirts, and social profiles. Instantly preview how your logo will look across different platforms and products. The design and brainstorming process is free. Pay only if you want high-res files. Experiment as much as you want before making a commitment. It's perfect for startups or anyone launching a new brand. Even if you're rebranding, Looka gives you fresh ideas in minutes. Instantly visualize your brand identity. See your logo come to life on everything from websites to merchandise. No design skills required, just pick what you like. The platform does the heavy lifting, so anyone can create a standout logo. Looka gives you premium design vibes for $0 upfront. Get inspired and experiment with endless possibilities. For fast, professional logos, this is unbeatable. Branding simplified so you can launch with confidence. Now for audio, Soundraw.io is your AI music composer. Choose a mood, genre, and track length, and the AI generates unique, copyright-free music in seconds. No music theory needed, just set your vibe and let Soundraw do the rest. Edit the energy and structure of the track with simple sliders. Instantly, customize intros, build-ups, and drops to fit your video or podcast. Download and use your track anywhere, no copyright worries. It's like having a composer on call, 24/7. Perfect for content creators who need custom background music. No more sifting through generic royalty-free libraries. Soundraw gives you total creative control. For unique, tailored music, this tool is a must-have. Your soundtrack, your way. Background beats unlocked. Jasper.ai is the powerhouse for long-form writing. It helps you craft blog posts, articles, and scripts with deep context and natural flow. Use templates or give direct commands. Jasper generates intros, paragraphs, and more. The AI understands your topic, audience, and tone, producing content that sounds human. Edit, expand, or rephrase with a click. It's an all-in-one writing environment, complete with suggestions and plagiarism checks. Perfect for bloggers, marketers, and anyone producing lots of content. Jasper accelerates research, drafting, and editing. It doesn't replace you, it supercharges your creativity. For high-quality writing at scale, Jasper is essential. Instant Genius Mode activated. Perplexity.ai redefines online search. Instead of a list of links, it gives you direct, well-sourced answers to your questions. Ask anything. Perplexity reads top sources, synthesizes a detailed response, and cites every fact. Hover over citations to see exactly where the info came from. It's transparent, trustworthy, and perfect for research or fact-checking. Ask follow-up questions and it remembers the context. No more endless clicking, just clear, actionable answers. For students, journalists, or the curious, this is a game changer. Reliable information instantly. Research upgraded. Cleanup.pictures is pure photo magic. Upload any image, brush over unwanted objects, and the AI erases them seamlessly. No Photoshop skills needed, just highlight and let the AI fill in the background. Perfect for removing photo bombers, power lines, or watermarks in seconds. The results are clean and natural, with no trace of edits. Compare before and after, it's hard to believe the object was ever there. Great for e-commerce, travel photos, or social media. Fast, free for standard resolution, and works on any device. It's the magic eraser everyone needs. Clean up your photos with zero hassle. Photo editing simplified. Mixo.io lets you launch a startup landing page in seconds. Just describe your idea and the AI generates a brand name, marketing copy, images, and testimonials. The result? A polished, ready-to-share landing page with built-in email capture. Instantly validate your idea and build a waitlist. No coding or design needed. Share your page, collect interest, and test your concept before investing time or money. It's the fastest way to go from idea to action. Perfect for entrepreneurs and makers. Mixo automates branding and marketing in one click. Turn your idea into reality instantly. Startup launch simplified. Pictory.ai transforms text into engaging short-form videos. Paste your blog post or article, and the AI breaks it into scenes, highlights keywords, and matches visuals from a huge stock library. Customize clips, captions, music, and even add AI voiceovers. Instantly create professional videos for TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube Shorts. Repurpose one article into multiple social clips. No editing skills required. Perfect for marketers and creators who need more video content fast. Pictory does the heavy lifting, just tweak and publish. Multiply your content output with ease. From text to TikTok, ready in minutes. Video creation automated. There you have it, 10 powerful AI tools you can use right now. These sites democratize skills, letting anyone create, launch, and grow faster than ever. The real winners will be those who combine their creativity with these AI superpowers. Don't be overwhelmed, just pick one and try it out. The future belongs to those who adapt and experiment. Let me know your favorite in the comments, and if I missed any must-try AI tools. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.